How to translate any web page, website, or any paragraph to other language on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. You can translate any web page or website on your Samsung internet browser. So first of all, open the Samsung internet browser and open the website. So here we open the Samsung folder. Tap the Samsung internet application. Now here you need to open any paragraph or website you want to translate language. So here we open. Now enter the website name you want to open on your device. Again we open the this. Now here at the bottom middle you can find the Galaxy AI icon on your device. Tap on it. Here you can see the translate option. Tap on translate. Now it will here at the top you can find English and translate option. Tap on translate. Select the language you want to translate. Here we select Hindi. You can see change your language to Hindi. So very helpful feature to quickly translate your website language or any paragraph language on your device. Again, select the language. Now tap add language. Here you need to download the language you want to install on your device. Let's see, here we download the German language on my device. Here you can see waiting for the download. When complete, it will take time. 426 MB download. So go back until I will come again. Here you can see three dots. Here you can set also change source language English or settings. In settings you can just translate web page into your preferred language. Just toggle off it to hide it. Also select language pack for translation. Now when downloading complete you can see add language to the list. Now go back, tap the language. Here you can find the German. Tap on it and it will convert your website language to German language. Now you can see change the language to German of your website or article or any paragraph. So it's quite easy to translate your web page or any paragraph using new Galaxy AI feature. That's it. Like it, share it.